How to use captions in Davinci Resolve. So if you go onto where it says effects and then text and then drag it onto the clip that you're going to use like this, and then just for now I'm going to do the first bit. So I'm going to do it in caps. How to. Now you've got loads of fonts, so you've got all these options here. I like to use, I think it's called Arial like this, and then black like that. I just think that's the nicest. And then I have the color as white, then I have it blue like this, and then I increase the size here, and this is on a bit called stroke, and if you want to reset it you can always just press this button here, and then it looks like this. If I increase the size, just so you can see it for this purpose, then you can use here to move it like this. You can move it to the bottom. I probably wouldn't have it so big, but then you'd cut it up. So if I unmute it, yeah, I just changed it because I realized I started it, the clip here, and phrased it a different way. 4 ways, then when it's finished on 4 ways, I press Ctrl B to expertly delete here. I press Ctrl B there, and then on here. If I double tap like this, I can delete the bit. Watch this video next if you want to. Subscribe.